Hello, I'm Bobby Diefulgence, Vice President of Product Management and Marketing at Lennox Commercial. Over the past few months, we've all experienced change in the way we work, shop, and socialize. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the key role that the HVAC industry plays in keeping buildings healthy for employees and customers. Our vision as an organization is to be an industry-leading HVAC solutions provider, and a big part of that is making sure we have the products and services to help our customers get back to business safely. This is why we are excited to introduce the Lennox Building Better Air Initiative, with the goal of helping businesses better understand how to improve their indoor air quality and their building's environment. The Building Better Air Initiative is structured to help evaluate the current state of HVAC systems, recommend a comprehensive indoor air quality solution tailored to the building, and identify a maintenance plan to ensure ongoing effectiveness. We are committed to helping businesses improve their building's indoor air quality to better serve their customers. To learn more about the Building Better Air Initiative, contact your Lennox Commercial representative or go to lennoxcommercial.com for more details.